back with the CLK 209, and today I will show you how you can fix the seatbelt presenter if yours is broken like it is on mine. So on the CLKs, the seatbelt presenter is a really common failure point. They do tend to break a lot. If you've seen my previous video, you know that there is a clip that extends here, and actually where this piece here clips to, but these things tend to break quite a bit, especially if you have taken them on or off a couple of times to fix something behind the paneling there. So what I'm going to show you today is how to fix that. Actually, mine was broken and I've already fixed it by doing what I'll show you today, and so that's why you can see that there are already some ball holes right here. I just wasn't sure if this fix will hold up, but it has for a couple of months now, so it has withstood the test of time of regular usage. Couple of months, so I guess it will be good enough, and you won't need to buy an entirely new presenter arm from Mercedes, which, let's be frank, costs quite a bit of money, a lot more than it's actually worth it. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will show you what to do in this video, how to fix it. If your seatbelt extender arm is broken, there's a good chance that this piece will actually be all the way here inside and you won't be able to take it out. So what you will need to do is take the panel out first, because you will need to basically get a hold of this arm and extend it forwards. Doesn't need to be all the way out, just a good way out, so that you can actually work on this piece right here. The part that's actually come off, the broken part, will stay in place. It's fine just hanging here. That's completely okay. But you will need to take the panel off. I have actually shot a video of that. You can check it out on how to remove the rear paneling. So once the panel is removed, you need to grab a hold of this and extend it out. After that, you can put the panel back in. You won't be needing to mess with anything behind the panel anymore. So once this is out, it's a good thing to also remove the seat belt from the seat belt bracket right there. Here is the bracket. I've already removed it. You can see how to remove that bracket again in that previous video. So what you need to do next is, if you already have if the clip piece from here is broken, it will most probably be stuck here. So on mine, like I said, it's already removed, but go ahead and pop it out. You need to put a little screwdriver here and just pull it to that side so that it can fall through the bottom piece, because you need the channel inside to be completely clear of any leftovers of the plastic clip. Next thing, what you need to do is get a little screwdriver like this one that has a tiny flat blade on the side, and just jam it inside where the extender actually is. And what you need to do is extend this. As you can see now, I'm already doing it. It's a little bit more complicated to do with one hand, but what you need to do is basically extend it forwards and grab hold of it. Just jam it with something so that it stays, so that this inside piece stays out, as you will need to work on that. I'll need both hands to do that, so I will extend it out and show you what to do next. Here it is. I've jammed the inner plastic piece with a little screwdriver. What you need to do is, the good thing is to remove the seat belt from this piece right here, as you will need to work on that as well. So just grab hold of it and work it out. Again, it's a little bit more complicated to do it with one hand, but as you can see, it is doable. So grab a hold of this, and what you need to do is, while holding this, put this on top and just put it all the way in, as far as in it can go. Then you need to have a little drill bit to put on your drill and drill a couple of holes. Like you see on mine, I've drilled 2 holes on this side and also 2 holes on this side, or you can just do one pass with the drill bit and just drill from one side to the other, just like this, through this plastic piece, of course. Once you've drilled it, just leave the drill bit inside so that it holds this to the plastic extender here. I'll show you what I mean now. So just like this, just put it on top and hold this piece out so that it doesn't retract back in, because it's on a spring, it has tension, and it really wants to go back in. So put this right here, make sure it's leveled, not tilted to one side like now, make it level, and drill through it. When you're done making the 2 holes, just leave the drill bit in so that when this thing retracts, it won't actually go all the way in. When you have the drill bit jammed in one of the holes, just hurry and put in a screw in the other one on this side and also on the other side, so that it's held in place, and then put two more tiny screws on the top side as well, which I'm going to do next and show you the end result. With all of the screws in place, you can now feed your seat belt back through the extender arm, just like this. As you can see, it is quite sturdy and it won't go anywhere. And now when the seat belt is fed through, just push on the arm and put it back in. This will require a little bit of force. Just push on it straight away, all the way in. Just like this. And then put on the seatbelt bracket, which holds the seatbelt to the chassis here underneath. But that's basically it. So this will save you a couple of $100 of going and buying a completely new arm extender assembly from Mercedes. Of course, you can also buy a second-hand one, but you don't know in what state that is, and when the little pin holding the front part of it's going to break on that either. So I think this is the better and cheaper solution. So basically you only need a little drill bit. You probably already have a drill and a couple of screws. The screws that I found were from an old laptop I had laying around. I just took out the screws out and repurposed them for this. Like I said, mine has been working like this for a couple of months now, so I'm pretty confident that if this is done correctly, you won't have any problems with this DIY repair. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to see more of this Mercedes, let me know. If you have any suggestions for videos, again, let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. Thanks for watching.